Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am showing you how to make homemade peanut butter cups. These are delicious chocolate cups with a peanut butter filling inside. It's super easy and super quick to make. Let's get started. First, in a bowl, I've taken some smooth peanut butter, and to that I have added some icing sugar. Now we need to whip this up, but before we do that, I'm just going to use my spatula and mix the icing sugar into the peanut butter so that when I start using the whisk, it doesn't fly all over the place. To this, I've also added some salted butter, and now using my electric beaters on a medium speed, I'm just going to beat this for about 2 minutes until it goes nice and smooth and well combined like this. Now all the details for the ingredients, the quantities, it's all down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Look how creamy this filling looks. Now we're just going to keep this aside and start working on the chocolate part of our peanut butter cups. So here I have some melted dark chocolate. You can either melt the chocolate in a microwave or over a saucepan containing simmering water. Now to this I am going to add some coconut oil. Once I've added that, I'm going to use my spoon again and combine it until it's well mixed together. Now here I have some cupcake liners which I have placed in a cupcake tray. This will form the mold for our chocolate peanut butter cups. So I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of the melted chocolate in each of the cupcake liners. I'll place these now in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes so they firm up. Now I have transferred the peanut butter filling into a piping bag, and I'm going to pipe a swirl in the center of the peanut butter cups. Now make sure that you do not go to the side of this liner, because when you fill it up with chocolate again, the peanut butter will ooze out and it won't retain its shape. So always make sure you have a little bit of a boundary left around the sides of that cup. So once I've added all of the peanut butter, I'm going to cover it up with the rest of the melted chocolate, and once you've added all of the chocolate over the peanut butter filling, you are going to tap the tray so that it gets leveled off. Now you can leave it like this, but I like to go a step further and top it with some chopped peanuts. I just feel like it adds such a beautiful touch. And finally then I'm going to top it off with a sprinkle of sea salt. I think the combination of sea salt, chocolate and peanut butter is such a classic, and you can obviously skip this, but I would highly recommend that you do it this way. Now we will pop this back into the refrigerator for another 15 to 20 minutes until it has set firmly. Now this is 20 minutes later. I'm just going to get the wrapper off of the peanut butter cups, and this is what our decadent homemade peanut butter cups look like. It is so quick, so easy. You don't need to bake anything, you don't need to cook anything. It's just really simple and delicious. And I'm also going to quickly show you what it looks like on the inside. And I really hope that you give this a go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.